Hi guys, I'd like to share with you a problem that I had with my DJI Mavic Air drone. I was flying it on the beach and I ended up landing on the sand, and unfortunately, it was a rough landing. After landing, I turned my drone off and I just turned it on when I was back home. For my surprise, there was a message saying that my drone would turn off after a few seconds due to overheating. I noticed the internal fan wasn't working because it wasn't making any noise. After researching on the internet, I figured out that probably the reason the fan wasn't working would be the entering of some sand in the inner parts of the drone. As the warranty was expired, I decided to open it and have a look. The first thing to do is removing the two screws that are behind the gimbal, one on each side. After that, we need to remove the white plastic cover from the top. To avoid any damage to the cover, it is recommended to use plastic tools. Even a credit card can be used as a tool. It's possible to see grains of sand around the whole body. I could check if the fan was blocked. In this case, it was completely stuck. Next step is removing the gray plastic. Once again, using the plastic tool. This gray part is very flexible. Be careful and take your time to remove it. There are 10 screws that have to be removed in order to open the black plastic chassis. There is a plastic support for the gimbal harness that has to be disconnected as well. As you can see, there are sand grains around everywhere, even in the electronic circuit. I disconnected the fan from the board and took it out for cleaning. I removed the double side tape from the fan and used compressed air to clean it. The air flowed in high speeds through the fan, unlocking the rotor and fixing the problem. I cleaned the body of the drone with soft brushes and also compressed air. There are many delicate components on the drone, so be careful. Don't apply compressed air directly to the gimbal, their harness, or other small parts. I put new double-side tapes on the bottom of the fan to glue it again close to the heatsink. I connect the battery to give a try and voila, it worked. While assembling it back, don't forget the small plastic part that covers the SD card. I've put back all the 10 screws on the top of the black chassis. It does look much cleaner now. I also put a new tape to hold the brackets of the gimbal harness. The gray plastic part comes next. And then the white one. Remember to include the two screws that hold the white cover in place. And here we go, no more overheating. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Cheers!